Good morning, students. Today we are going to discuss about solution of a quadratic equation by a quadratic formula. So far we have found out the roots of a quadratic equation by factorization. Now we will be going for a very shortcut and it will help you a lot. Let us see that you are having a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0 where a is not equal to 0. Then the roots of the quadratic equation is given by this formula. X is equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a, where d is what? B square minus 4ac is called the discriminant of this equation. Now the equation will have two real roots, say alpha and beta, only when your d is more than equal to 0. In that case, we can write alpha as minus b plus root d by 2a and beta as minus b minus root d by 2a. Let us take an example. Say for example, if you want to solve this equation, root 3x square plus 10x minus 8 root 3 is equal to 0. So first what we will do, first we will write it in the standard form. It is already there in standard form, and then we will compare with the standard equation. Now you find that with x square here it is root 3 and x square it is a. So we can write a is equal to root 3. Here with x we are having 10 and here it is b. So you can write b is equal to 10. In the same way, at the constant place you are having minus 8 root 3. So we can write c as minus 8 root 3. Now we'll be finding out the d first. D is what? B square minus 4ac. So we'll put the value of b square minus 4a into c. So 100 and root 3 into root 3 is 3. 8 4s are 32 minus plus. So you are getting 196, which is positive. So you will have two roots. Now you can go for alpha and beta. Alpha is what? Minus of b plus root d by 2a. So put the values and equate. So it is minus 10 square root 196 14. So it gives you 4 by 2 root 3. So rationalize it. So it is giving you 2 root 3 by 3. On the same line here it is minus b minus root d. Again put the value and compute. So you are getting the two roots as 2 root 3 by 3 comma minus 4 root 3. So very easy to find out the equation, the roots of an equation by using the quadratic formula. Now we'll be discussing about the nature of the roots of the equation. So if you are having a quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, a is not equal to 0, you know the roots are given by x is equal to minus b plus minus root d by 2a, where d is equal to b square minus 4ac. Now if you are having your d as a positive number more than 0, then the equation will give you two distinct real roots. What will be the roots? Minus b plus root d by 2a and minus b minus root d by 2a. Now also here you have to see that if the value of d is a perfect square, you know what is a perfect square? Whose square root is a whole number. Means say for example 1 is a perfect square, 4 is a perfect square, 16 is a perfect square. So if it is a perfect square, then we get two distinct rational roots. It gives you a rational root. And if it is not a perfect square, it is not a perfect square, so irrational number you are having. So in that case you will be having two distinct irrational roots. So this is for case 1 when d is positive. When d is equal to 0, so the equation will give you two equal roots. And how will you find the equal roots? Simply by getting minus b by 2a. And if your d is less than 0, then the equation will give you no real roots, or we can say the real roots do not exist. Now we'll see some examples. Find the nature of the roots if the real roots exist and find them. So we are having an equation 2x square minus 3x plus 5. Again, by comparing, we'll get the value of a as 2, b as minus 3 and c as 5. We'll find out d. So after evaluating d, you are getting that it is minus 31. So minus 31 is a negative number, less than 0. So we will say the equation has no real roots. So we will not go for finding out its root. Now second equation, 3x square minus 4 root 3 plus 4. We have again, we'll compare with the standard equation. We'll have a, b and c. A is 3, b is minus 4 root 3, c is 4. We'll find out d, b square minus 4ac. Put the value of b minus 4 root 3 ka square minus 4, 3 and 4. So minus 4 minus ka square is plus, 4 ka square is 16 and root 3 is 3. So 48 here, 48 here, it gives you 0. So you have got d is equal to 0. If d equal to 0, so you have only two equal roots. So you can have the roots as x is equal to minus b by 2a. Put the value of b here, minus of minus 4 root 3 by 2a. So after simplifying, it is giving you 2 root 3 by 3. Now another question is what? Find the values of k for which the equation k plus 4x square plus k plus 1x plus 1 has two equal roots. So first of all, we'll write the equation in the standard form. It is already there in the standard form, ax square plus bx plus c. So from there, we'll find the value of a, we'll find the value of b, we'll find the value of c. And after that, we know for equal roots, the discriminant is equal to 0 or b square minus 4ac is equal to 0. Now, we'll be substituting the value of b square minus 4a into c is 1. So, now open it and simplify. Again, it is giving you a quadratic equation. So, for this quadratic equation, either you solve it by factorization or again apply the formula. Choice is yours. So it's a very simple equation. We'll go for the factorization. So we can write this as a k square minus 5k plus 3k minus 15. Take k common from the first two terms. So you are getting k minus 5 and 3 common from the next two terms. So you are getting 3k minus 5. So after factorizing, you are getting k minus 5, k plus 3 is equal to 0. So it gives you the values of k as equal to 5 or k is equal to minus 3. Thank you very much.